Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can know that if someone has Snapchat Plus. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So this is a new feature of Snapchat in which you can subscribe for Snapchat Plus. But when you open Snapchat Plus, you can see that how you know that any person has Snapchat Plus. So you can see that the Snapchat Plus badge is a black star badge to add some flyer to your display name. So this is the badge. If some profile has this type of badge, you can easily know that that person have Snapchat Plus. But if no profile have this feature, it means that that person is not have this feature of Snapchat Plus. But some people subscribe for Snapchat Plus but they do not activate their badge. So let me know in comment section, did you activate your Snapchat Plus badge or not? I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.